Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my reviews on Carowhite face cream. Previously, I did a video on this face cream and a lot of people were asking me, does this face cream really exist? Or do they have anything called Carowhite face cream? I tried my best to let the people understand that we have a face cream called Carowhite face cream. So if you are thinking of using this face cream to glow your face, to brighten your face, and to clear spots on your face, then please watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to share with you who is supposed to use this Carowhite face cream, and I'll share with you guys the roles this face cream plays on the face. All right, and I'll also share with you how you can use it very well to avoid the side effect. Okay, and I'll also share with you the side effect of not using this face cream well. You know, this Carowhite face cream is a lightening face cream which involves hydroquine. Okay, so sometimes if you don't have any idea of what to use on your face and maybe someone recommend this face cream for you, you need to do critical investigation, or you need to do your research very well on this face cream before using, because it's not a face cream that is really common in the market. But sometimes when you go to the market to get a product for your face, they might recommend it for you. But before then, do your research very well before using it on the face. I once made a video about it and I explained how you can use it to brighten your face, how you can use it to clear spots on your face, and also the side effect of not using this Carowhite face cream well. You know, when I was explaining in the previous video, I was not able to get the exact image of the Carowhite face cream. So I just placed the Carowhite cream itself with a tube on the thumbnail. So people were confused whether that is the face cream or not. But don't worry, I've been able to get the exact face cream for you, which is this one. It's formulated with lightening ingredient. It's formulated with carrots, it involves hydroquine, it involves citric acid, and other strong lightening ingredient. Okay, but then it plays a major roles on the face. All right, and also it's not recommended for all skin type. I always state in my video that before you use something on your face, make sure you know your skin type, or make sure you know what exactly works for you before you use on your skin, and also especially on your face. So this Carowhite face cream I'm coming to talk about is not recommended for sensitive people. It's not recommended for oily skin people. It's recommended for normal skin people and also combination skin people. All right, and one thing I've noticed about this face cream is that it's very strong. And you know, when you check on the box, it is written on it day and night. But I want to be honest with you that this Carowhite face cream is not supposed to be used during the daytime. If you use it during the daytime and you expose the face under the sun, you will end up damaging your face because it involves hydroquine. It's a very strong lightening face cream. People normally use it to clear dark spots on their face. They also use it to brighten their face. It is good to use it to brighten the face or to lighten the face, but then you have to use it only at night. When you use it during the daytime and you expose the face under the sun, you end up damaging the face because it's very strong. All right, so you use it only at night, and make sure when you are using it, you don't use it with a very strong whitening soap. Okay, make sure you get a very mild soap because the cream itself is already strong on its own. Okay, I know people will be tempted to use it. That is why I'm doing this video. Okay, so if you know you want to use this face cream on your face, please make sure you do your research very well. If you don't do research about this face cream and you use it on the face, you damage the face, because it's not a face cream that is recommended for everybody. And also, it's a face cream that involves hydroquine. So as I said it earlier on, a normal skin can use it, and also a combination skin person can use it. It's not recommended for a dark skin person. It's not recommended for a caramel skin tone person. It's recommended for people who already have a fairer face, or they have a light face. If you are a dark skin person, you uses this Carowhite face cream on your face, you will damage the face. Trust me, your face will be very damaged. Okay, so if you are a dark skin person, don't attempt using this face cream. Or even if you go into the market and a vendor recommended it for you, as a dark skin person, please avoid it. Do not use it on your face. But if you are a light skin person and maybe you have dark spots on your face, some part of your face is very dark, or some part of your face is like is uneven tone, you can buy it and use it only at night. Do not use it during the daytime. And moreover, you are supposed to use it within some time. Okay, when you use it for 2 weeks, you have to stop using it. And when you use it during the 2 weeks, it will clear the problem on your face, because it is a strong lightening face cream. So after the 2 weeks, you have to stop using it. Okay, don't use it consistently. When you use it for some time, you have to stop it and get a very mild product and use on your face. Especially if you finish clearing the problems on your face, you have to hold on with it and switch to a different product. Okay, it's not a face cream that you are supposed to use it consistently. Okay, one thing I've noticed about this face cream is that it's a very quick action working face cream. Okay, so it works very fast. It works very fast. So maybe when you start using it, within a week to 2 weeks, you see massive results on your face. That's how creams that involves hydroquine, they work. Okay, so because it involves hydroquine, when you start using it, within 2 weeks, you see that everything is gone on your face. Some people even see the effectiveness from 3 days and above. Okay, so when you use it within 2 weeks and it clears the problem on your face, you have to stop using it. Okay, you don't have to use it again. Because of the hydroquine inside, you might end up damaging the face. Okay, it's brightening the face very fast, it's lightening the face very fast, and it's also whitening the face very fast. Okay, it clears dark spots on the face and it makes the face smooth within that time you are using it. All right, and the side effect I've noticed about this Carowhite face cream is that it damages the face. Okay, it irritates the face and it leaves severe sunburn on your face if you use it during the daytime and you expose the face under the sun. And it also leaves white dots on the face. Okay, it gives you uneven tone face. All right, and it leaves eczema on your face. Okay, so before you use it, make sure you know your skin type before using this face cream. And you have to understand that it's not recommended for everybody. If you have severe dark spots on your face, you can use it to clear the dark spots on your face. And also, if you want to whiten your face, you can use it to whiten the face as well. It's a very quick action working face cream. That is why you don't have to use it consistently. When you use it sometime, you have to stop. Okay, I said it earlier on that it's made with carrot, it's made with hydroquine, it's made with citric acid, and it's made with strong lightening ingredient. It's not recommended for everybody. So before you think of using Carowhite lightening face cream, make sure you do your research very well. Don't just stand up and use it on your face. Do your research, know how to use it, the time you are supposed to use it, and also know the side effect of using this Carowhite face cream. It's not recommended for everybody, but trust me, if you use it with wisdom, it's going to work for you. So beautiful people, My name is Lartini. If you are new here, I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my returned subscribers, thank you for coming and I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. All I want, all I want, me and